Okay, on the far left top corner is your jump switch, and basically it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a fancy jump start switch. Should you get into the vehicle and trying to turn the vehicle over and you're not getting enough cranking power from the batteries, you can hold that switch down, which will allow the batteries from the chassis to merge with the auxiliary battery, therefore giving you a little bit extra power. Should the vehicle not start, by doing that, the batteries have become such in a down state that jumping from another vehicle will have to be the norm. Your next switch over is your driver's dome, and that's just simply to have a little bit of light above you. The next switch over is your panel lights, and if I turn that panel light on, it illuminates, and then we'll actually turn these two gauges on. Even though this system is 120 volt circuits running through it, these 2 meters and the backlit features are 12 volts. So if I turn this light off, you'll be able to see a little bit of a backlit when I turn that on and off. Okay. The next switch over is going to be the heater pump. And that heater pump is really not in play because it's made for a school bus chassis, which you would be pumping radiator fluid through hoses back to additional boxes that would heat the coach throughout for the students on a bus, since this is technically a bus, but it basically loops right back into the engine within itself. The next row down is going to be your step in and step out. By initiating the step, you'll see that it's marked out and then in, so I can make the step go in, and then I can also make the step go out. This is a 12 volt feature. The bus does not have to be turned on to be able to manipulate that. It's strictly a 12 volt feature. If I turned on the ignition at this time, you would notice that you have 2 red lights to the right of that. Basically your rear step and your front step, if they're out, will give you an audible as well as a video alarm to let you know that, that you have a problem.